Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today's spaghetti dish is very quick and easy to make. Boil a pot of water and add salt. Now add the spaghetti. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions for al dente. Don't forget every couple of minutes to stir the spaghetti so they don't stick together. Now that the spaghetti is cooking, we have enough time to chop the garlic and the parsley. Let's begin by squishing each garlic clove and then chopping them up. Now it's time to chop up the parsley. We're going to need around a handful, which is 4 to 5 tablespoons. My spaghetti has been cooking for around 10 minutes. The instructions on my spaghetti package say 9 to 10 minutes for al dente, so they should be ready. As soon as we strain our spaghetti, we're going to need a pan with medium heat. Add the extra virgin olive oil, and the chopped garlic. We cook the chopped garlic for around 30 to 40 seconds before we add the spaghetti, while frequently stirring. It's time to add the spaghetti and give it a really good mix. If you like, you could add salt to the spaghetti. I prefer not to and just add 2 more tablespoons of parmesan cheese at the end. Now it's time to add the parsley and carry on mixing. The parsley doesn't add much flavor, it just gives it a nice color. As soon as you're done mixing everything well, you're ready to serve. Don't forget, if you didn't add salt, add 2 more tablespoons of Parmesan cheese to replace the salt. And like always, καλή σας όρεξη!